Last year, Amazon did something really nice for the sellers for a change, and it's called Amazon Brand Analytics. And today, that's what we're talking about. Hey guys, I'm Farah. Welcome to my channel. We talk about building business on Amazon. If you're interested in that, then please do subscribe. So today, we're talking about how to use Amazon Brand Analytics to find what people are buying online on Amazon and how you can sell it. You have to sell what's selling, right? I almost have 100 subscribers. Thank you so much for joining this channel and supporting me. And I'm glad my knowledge and experience is helping some of you guys out there. So first off, what is Amazon Brand Analytics? As the name suggests, it's the data made available by Amazon to sellers about their brand and the products they offer in comparison to what's available on the market. But not only this, Amazon also gives access to the search term data. Yes, you heard me right. Amazon give sellers search term data and how frequently that particular phrase is searched on Amazon through a ranking system. This is very reliable data. It's not what third-party softwares like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 are estimating, but real data from Amazon, which they made available through the Seller Central in the section of reports. This gives you great insight into what people are searching for, what products they're clicking on, and what products are actually converting for the sellers. This is only available to brands or companies who are registered with a trademark to Amazon Brand Registry. So any of you sellers out there who haven't actually started their trademark and they are just wholesaling, it's something you're missing out on, because this tool provides great insight into how your products are doing. They also give you market basket analysis, so which one of your products were put into the basket of the customer and along with which other products. So it offers you bundling opportunities, and look into that. For new sellers, it's worth investing into a trademark to protect your investment and time you're putting into learning to run a business on Amazon. Trademark applications in UK, it takes a couple of months to come through, so it's worth putting in that time and investment to protect your business in a competitive place like Amazon. So let's get to my screen and I will show you how it works. So this is what Brand Analytics interface looks like. You get to here through the Reports tab, and then clicking on Brand Analytics. So let's just do that. Amazon search terms, because that's where all the cool information is, what people are searching for over what time frame. So here you can see you can choose daily reports or daily view, weekly, monthly, and quarterly, or across Amazon .co.uk, and it will give you main search terms by frequency for every department. Basically, the whole of Amazon's different departments, how they categorize it, it's all available here. So you can pick any department. For example, let's pick lighting, and you can put a search term in if you want to be a bit particular, or an ASIN or a product name in, or you can just leave them blank. And if you just want to see the quarterly data for what people searched in this department over the last quarter. So this is from end of June. No, this is from April till end of June. So let's just apply this and let's just see what people looked for over the summer in the lighting department. And what's really interesting here is it tells you the search frequency. So that's ranking based on search frequency, how many times people typed in this. Now, obviously, they don't give you the volume of this, was it 100,000 times or 10,000 times, but you can use this toggle keywords everywhere to get that information if you really need the number. But if you didn't want to use any software, this is good enough, because if Amazon is giving a #1 rank, this means this was the most highly searched phrase on Amazon's lighting department, solar fairy lights. And then look at this, it's so cool. The first clicked ASIN, not the highest sold, but first clicked, is this. If I just click on this, it shows you this is what was the most clicked, a 2-pack of solar powered string lights, right? So if you look at the #1 click share, this means that how wherever the search volume is. So of the 100,000, let's say the number was 100,000, of the 100,000, only 16,000 clicks were 16,420 clicks went to this ASIN, and the conversion of the clicks, of those 16,000 clicks, this much, 20% of that converted. So for Amazon, the conversion is a sale. So I think this is clickable. So if you click on this, it takes you to amazon.co.uk, and it shows you, it was this Amazon's choice. This was the top clicked, number one clicked on ASIN for that phrase, solar fairy lights. And if you go on to this, if this is actually a lightning deal at the moment. So they have got the Amazon's choice tag label. I just wanted to see the sales volume and estimate. Obviously this is an estimate and this is on a deal at the moment. So it has 101 daily sales, monthly sales of this, and this is their total revenue for the month is £60,000. So obviously that's another variation, and that it tells you that this is this number 2 highly searched term on Amazon UK in the lighting department. And it tells you that this was, now look the difference now, this was the next, but the share of the click is so much less than the first one. Let's look, what is this? So it's these are these ones. Let's just go forward and look at what is the second, and even for that, the conversion, the click share percentages are very low compared to the first one. I think it's mainly because it was a deal. Because it was a deal, the conversion and the share is so much more. So obviously this is definitely a volume seller who's working on very tight margins. This is really insightful information that Amazon is sharing with, they have a registered brand with Amazon, and then they will have this option available in their reports section. So obviously if you don't have a trademark or you don't have a brand registered with Amazon, you won't see this. You will only see the business reports. You won't see this section. So that's why it's really important that you do register one brand with Amazon, and then you get access to all this information for across different brands. So even if you wanted to launch another product in a different category, let's look in home and garden, what's been happening over the last quarter in there. If you wanted to launch a new product, there's nothing to stop you. You have the same information that Amazon has. It depends on you, that do you want to get a product out for any particular search term that you pick or you're interested in, or you, through your other third-party softwares, you have found enough search volume and enough revenue to target for, and that's what you want to invest in. So I think this is a really great tool for experienced sellers. Obviously, you can figure out just by using Amazon's tool, like this brand analytics tool, and go to the bestsellers rank on Amazon, which you can see right here, Amazon bestsellers. So if I was to choose the lighting department from here, I will actually see the top sellers in this category easily. Indoor lighting, outdoor lighting, and I can find, if I was to target one of these products, I would be able to see that, okay, these are the top 100 performing products, and just go for that from here. Like, you wouldn't need a third-party software to do this. I hope you found this video useful. Don't pigeonhole yourself as a seller that I'm only going to sell this certain type of products. You can just about register any kind of brand with Amazon Brand Registry and bring all sorts of products to the market. Last year, more than $280 billion of revenue was generated on Amazon, and more than half of that was created by third-party sellers. So think about that and how you can create a share of that for yourself. And I will see you next week. Bye.